timu ezi zayanira imizano irimo umupira gw'ebigere okubaka hamwe na volleyball. Omumpaka za volleyball timu ya Rwampara County esingire ya Parliament nobwo babibera harubusha. Omuzano gwo kubaka nabwe timu y'abanyeshenjero esingira aba Rwampara na goro 2016.
Elizo batwagira umugisha twatahisa Parliament ya Uganda timu zi nkishatu timu y'omupira y'ebyo gw'ebigere netball na volleyball. Ogo ejemizano ni promotion ya Parliament kwenda kwika abantu bayo koke cyo tufaga baho wabo ino mwembezi mu wa Parliament ebe nabisya abantu muzana hona members wa Parliament muzana hona team za Parliament.
So I have come as far as the north to the west simply to support my brother Honorable Ankonda Hamos, who is a member of Parliament representing the people of Rwampara in the 11th Parliament.
Yeah, the importance of this game, first of all, they bring us together. It's a social event and it connects Parliament to the community.
The truth is, games bring us together. Where you're talking about games, it tickles everyone. So we are here to play for our health.
Omumpaka z'umupira gw'ebigere abanyeshenjero hona nabwe basingira aba Rwampara County na gori 3-1.
Tuja tapinga hansi turaba no kubakuzana tubinkareginga ahabwe myoga ne talente zibine okongera amani omizano.
Njagala kubebaza nnyo okutulondera mwami Amos Kankunda. Era fe bwe tujja wano tuba tuzze kubakwatirako.
Emizano egi etebekanisiibwa omwishenjero rwa Rwampara County Amos Kankunda kandi orukurra akakiiko k'ebyesente omwishenjero ya Uganda.